Welcome back to the next section of Visual Studio Code and Docker training. In this section, we're going to learn how to bootstrap a new project. And what I mean by bootstrap is I'm taking a Python application with no Dockerfile, no compose file, and we're going to actually create a Docker project from this. Let's take a look exactly what this looks like. So within this section, you'll actually see in the lab that there's an app.py, there's an index.html, the requirements.txt, and this is just a simple cat GIF generator. So you can see it generates different cat GIFs every time we refresh, and it prints the host name of the container. Really quite an interesting demo because it's quite nice. You see some things going on, and also it's printing the host name. But you see there's absolutely no Dockerfile, compose, or anything like that. So what we're actually going to do is use the command palette, Command-Shift-P or Control-Shift-P in Windows, and we're going to enable the Docker add files to workspace. And once we do that, it's going to add all these files to our workspace. It's going to ask us a couple of questions regarding, okay, what kind of project it is. And this is a Python Flask project. You want to create a compose debug, yes or no? What port is it using? And just a couple different questions. And once it's done, it generates all these files for us. Very amazing, because I mean, we don't write a single line of code to do this. To write a Docker file or a compose file, I mean, it takes, sometimes an hour or more to write all the files, to test it and everything. With this, you just generate it and it's ready to go. So the next section in the lab, we're going to learn exactly how we can bootstrap this Python Flask application and then interact with it once it's bootstrapped. So join me in the lab.